received Star Reader Award, Kinder Curious Award, Great Giver Award, Batang Masigasig Award, and Sunshine Award. Alonso Nia Menehio, Star Reader Award, Bali Mathematician Award, Batang Masigasig Award, Batang Magalang Award, and Ambassador Award. Caballero Roven Rio Dice, Good Communicator Award, Kinder Curious Award, Eager Beaver Award, and Batang Masigasig Award. Kabandi Israel V. Ayan Sardinia will receive Tinig ng Kabataan Award and Happy Helper Award. Next awardee is Captain Moto Stewart Nervaza. Stewart will receive Kinder Curious Award, Young Dancer Award, Kinder Body Award, Out of Your Shell Award, Great Giver Award. The Team Kay Estrella, Tinig ng Kabataan Award, Patience Advocate Award, Out of Your Shell Award, and Great Giver Award. Jill Jason Bernine, Tinig ng Kabataan Award, Great Giver Award, Happy Helper Award, and Patience Advocate Award. Will receive Bali Mathematician Award, Kinder Curious Award, Tinig ng Kabataan Award, Batang Masigasig Award, and Eager Beaver Award. Isidoro Jared Austria, Good Communicator Award, Kinder Curious Award, Good Sport Award, and Sporting Kid Award. We have also Jose Mendoza, Tinig ng Kabataan Award, Kinder Body Award, Sunshine Award, and Patience Advocate Award.
Another awardee, we have Nagaho Cedric Gorin, Tinig ng Kabataan Award, Happy Helper Award, Kinder Body Award, and Kinder Body Award. Next, we have Mahubat Kian Daniel Omake, Body Mathematician Award, Tiny Tidy Award, Golden Heart Award, Patience Advocate Award, and Kayako Award. Next, we have Manila Lexus Axton Taguba, Kinder Curious Award, Golden Heart Award, and Happy Helper Award. Our next awardee, Mundas Aljabar Ampatuan, Star Reader Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Golden Heart Award, Sparkler Award, and Happy Helper Award. Next, we have Musa Marvin Paseto, Pinig ng Kabataan Award, Sparkler Award, Happy Helper Award, and Great Giver Award. Obiasada Stephen Pañanes, Artistic Hand Award, Sunshine Award, and Great Giver Award. Next awardee, Sir Valor John Gabriel Dulay, Young Dancer Award, Sporty Kid Award, Good Sport Award, Patience Advocate Award, and Out of Your Shell Award.